The automotive market has always been a very important investment market for Mutares. Especially in the ferrous castings and forging space, there is a lot of consolidation necessary to support our customers with their global businesses. Within FerrAl United, we can cover the entire value chain. We go from the raw casting and the raw forging to the machined components to the final assembled transmission or reducer. We can provide value to our customers on a global scale with facilities around the world in the key growth markets, whether it is Europe, North America or Asia. Our companies are experts in each of their specific fields. United as FerrAl United, we can provide our customers and our shareholders the maximum value that can be taken out of the entire value chain.
I'm Eric Moutier. I'm director in Mutares since May 2020, and since then I'm CEO of PrimoTECS. PrimoTECS is a specialist for forging, all kind of technology of forging, hot, warm and cold forging. We are famous for our horizontal forging presses, Hateboer, Swiss made. We are located in Torino. We have 650 employees and 2 plants and 100 million of turnover. We in Mutares decided to invest in a new forging company in Germany, Rasche and Umformtechnik, and then we created the PrimoTECS Group. We deliver components for the high volume industry, so the OEM and the big tier 1 industry, and we deliver parts which are mounted in the car, in the driveline, in the engine or in the transmission.
Company Rasche is located in Plettenberg, 60 kilometers far away from Dortmund in West Germany. It was founded in 1925. With 170 employees, we are generating 15 million euros of turnover, and we are providing a maximum forging capacity of 20,000 tons. Our tool shop is equipped with state-of-the-art high-speed cutting machines. These machines are providing all necessary tool capacity for our production. The forging department is equipped with 2 1,600 tons presses, a 2,500 tons press and a 3,150 tons press, where we can produce in a vertical condition the forging parts that are requested. 80% of the parts are safety parts with safety criteria, and we are meeting all the demands from the customer with this crack detection. Our processes are designed with multiple usage in a semi and fully automated production way for having the most competitive production in Germany. Since we joined Mutares in October 2021, we are strongly focused to work in our weaknesses and to use our strengths to develop our business, to develop the customer relation.
My name is Olivier Boisdin, CEO of MMT-B since the acquisition by Mutares in March 2023. MMT-B's heritage is in producing manual transmission for one OEM in Europe. Our current revenue is 150 million euros and about 650 employees are on board. Mutares took over the company for 3 main reasons. First, its knowledge of automotive market. Second, the vast component machining capacity. And third, the know-how to expand the forging group capabilities. Before acquisition by Mutares, MMTB was embedded into a large multinational conglomerate with one product for one company. As such, we are actively transforming the company from a one market, one product business into a multi-market, multi-product business. MMTB was embedded into the FerrAl United Group in order to reach a larger market and technology portfolio. Now we are able to serve all customers and markets locally and globally with highly engineered products along the entire value chain.
As the CEO of FerrAl United, I'm excited and delighted to working with all my colleagues to creating this new company and this new value proposition to all of our customers and shareholders.